So we're going to do a quick overview here in Safari, kind of like a Safari in focus. So let's tap the Safari app icon here. And first thing we see is a web page. So a web page can contain words, pictures, videos, icons, and more. We can tap a link on the web page, such as this release notes link. And we can also tap icons atop of the page to go to a new page or open a menu. You can also scroll the screen up and down by dragging it up and down with your finger. When scrolling down the page, this control section minimizes. To get to the larger version, scroll up again or tap the minimal version. These chevrons let you move through the page browsing history back to the page you just left, or forwards if you already moved back. If one of these options isn't available, its chevron isn't shown. So we can tap here for a pop-up window offering options such as hide distracting items, translate the website, increase or decrease the text size, and more. This here is the URL, or Uniform Resource Locator, or otherwise known as the web address of the page you're currently viewing. Tap the URL to open up the keyboard and type in another address or search term. Long press it for an options window such as copy and paste, share the URL, and other such things as switch the tab groups or move to a tab group. Tapping the curly arrow here reloads the web page you're currently looking at. It's useful if it hasn't loaded correctly or if it needs updating, such as a news or live feed. Tap here to get a look at your browsing pages. So go ahead and tap the three dots here at the top right of this screen to get this menu here. You can manage tab groups, you can select tabs, you can arrange tabs by title or website, you can copy these 11 links, or you can add bookmarks for 11 tabs. If this Safari in Focus video proves to be of use to you, please go ahead and like, share, or follow, particularly follow, so that you can stay in the know for several other Safari videos coming down the line.